Welcome. In this video we are going to learn the installation process of PHP in Linux based operating system. This method will work in all major Linux based operating system like Ubuntu, Mint, Debian, Kali Linux, Fedora, Arch 2. So actually PHP comes pre-installed in many operating systems like Kali Linux and Linux Mint. So if you want to check whether PHP is pre-installed or not, log in terminal as root user and type where is PHP, where is Apache 2, and where is MySQL server. This command will list the directory where program has been installed. In my case, PHP is pre-installed. Actually it's not pre-installed. I have installed few minutes earlier to save time. Now I'm checking where is Apache 2 web server, which is also pre-installed. In many cases Apache 2 web server is pre-installed but doesn't work. It needs an update of 97 KB in order to work. PHP acronym for Hypertext Preprocessor is a server-side scripting language widely used to make very cool web applications. Some example of PHP applications is Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix, but they are very complex. They use multiple server-side scripting languages and JavaScripts. So now it's time to check that if the software is available in your repository, which is stored in etc opt source.list file. Type log as root and type opt-so file name like PHP opt-so MySQL. This command will list if program exists in your repository or not. If program exist in your repository, you can install by typing sudo apt-get install program name. PHP is also available with 8.0 version. Now I will show you the type where is MySQL. You can see if in your case if opt-so program name doesn't show the details about your programs, means your repository don't have available program to install. So in this case you need to update opt etc source.file name, and after saving this you have to update your repository by typing sudo apt-get update. This will refresh the list of all programs available in repository. In my case all these programs are available, so you can install by using sudo apt-get install PHP, MySQL and Apache server, and pass argument -n for no and pass argument -y for yes. So you know that already you know that all programs has been pre-installed in my computer. So now it's time to run all these programs. PHP is a web server on which server-side scripting languages work. Not only PHP but many scripting languages work on Apache 2 web server like Perl. Now check the status of Apache server, whether it's working or not. Type systemctl status Apache 2. In this case work Apache 2 web server working. So now open your browser, type localhost +enter. You can see that landing page appear Ubuntu Apache 2 Ubuntu default page, because Apache web server is working. Now type systemctl stop Apache 2. Now check its status. Apache 2 web server is inactive or dead. Ctrl Z to exit menu, refresh web page. You can see that after closing the web server, landing page is not working. Now type is systemctl start Apache 2. But remember, you have to log in terminal as the root user. In our first web page, you can see that it's working all. But now it's time to run our first program. Open directory, go to my computer, go to var directory where all files are stored, go to www.html and create new files. You have to remember this file is protected, this directory is protected, so you can change the type of security of this folder or log as a root user. I always recommend you to log as a root user. Type sudo pico, file name, pico is a text editor. Hello world, hello user. Ctrl S to save. If you want to run any program, so you have to type localhost forward and file name. If it's in any under directory, then type localhost directory name, then file name.